Hey guys, what's going on? This is Ryan with another Mad Nani tutorial. Today we're going to talk about logging in and setting up a new account. If you'll notice, I am on an Apple using Firefox, so it might look a little bit different for you if you're using a PC and Internet Explorer. There's a couple different variations. For optimum use, PCs definitely work better with Firefox or Internet Explorer. But like I said, I'm on a Mac PowerBook, and there's nothing wrong with that. I'm very comfortable with this. Alright, to set up an account, you'll need to go over to the right side of Mad Nani screen, sort of where my mouse is right now, and you'll notice that there is a login box. Now, if you have an account set up, obviously you're going to put in your username and password just like any other site, but for us, we're going to click on this yellow box that says sign up free. It should take just a couple of seconds, and we've got it loaded to the free login page. I'm just going to stress free there. And here we just register. So you can make up whatever username you would like. For this example, I'm going to do Mad Nani Rules number 2 because, yeah. And then password. No way I'm telling you my password. That's a very private thing. And then we've got the password question, which means in case you forget your password, you can simply have this set question in here, and we can just ask you to answer that and send you your password, which will make it easier on all of us just in case that happens. So, what's your mother's maiden name? In this case, it is going to be the Nani, and alternate email address is, of course, madnanirules@hotmail.com, right? That just makes sense. Well, then we have to enter in account information, so let's just say my name is Joe, my middle initial is B for Bob, and my last name is Normal, so I'm Joe Bob Normal. Zip code, let's go with the Lumberton, Texas zip code of 77657. Let's do a little month, make up a birth date here. Hot dog. Now, the zip code is very important because this zip code right here is going to allow us to sort the ads according to where you live. The closest ads to your zip code are the ones that appear first. And that's something that you can change while you're browsing, but the default ads are going to be closest to that zip code. Alright? Next step we've got is to upload a picture. You can upload any JPEG or GIF file, even a bitmap if you wanted to. Let's select my crazy hair picture here. And then, of course, we've got a small survey. Just we want to know how people heard about us. And, of course, I always like to say that Elvis told me. I think it's kind of cute. We've got the Mad Nani Terms of Service. Just explains all the legal issues, yada, 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 blah, blah, blah. Registration data, blah, blah, blah. Internet law, blah, blah, blah. Won't send you emails, okay? And that is something that you need to be aware of. We will not send you any spam. We hate the stuff. So this is just simply to let you know legal usage of the site and our accountability therein. Alright? So we're going to accept terms, and it'll just take a second to create your account, and you will be up and ready to go. Just a second to create. Okay, here we go. So once it loads back up again, you'll notice on the right hand side your name is going to be over there when you mouse over it, and you can also log out up here in this log out button where my mouse is. But now, yeah, every ad that I look at from this point on will now be central to my zip code. All right, and in the future, I'll tell you next how to maybe create your Mad members profile, or how to use the Mad Nani maps. So stick around and stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Thanks, guys.